Hello, my name is Dan MacKenzie, and I wanted to talk about my assessment and final project for technology and education. And I did this actually in Google Classroom. What I first did was a lesson for my class, and let me click that. I did this in PowerPoint. My notes were originally on a legal pad, and I transferred them over to Microsoft Word, and from there over to PowerPoint. And it's regarding the conjugation of the verb to be, the present tense conjugation, and then I have example sentences. Then I did a practice activity with the students, and then at the end, I also explained the contractions of positive and negative forms. Okay, now let me go to the next activity. Then what I did was I did a quiz, and I did this in a live worksheet, and there's a total of 20. There's fill in the blank questions, multiple choice, and the students will rewrite the sentences with the correct conjugation. There's a total of 20 questions. Okay, so let me get out of this one. Okay, then the next is another quiz, and it's in a Google form. Okay, let me see if I pull this one up. Okay, here's a total of 20 questions. Okay, and here's a multiple choice for the correct conjugation of the verb to be. Okay, and then here I have a recording where the students can listen to my voice, and then I can actually put in the correct contraction. Okay, and here they fill in the blank with the proper contraction for each sentence. So there's a total of, and then there's a multiple choice for the correct conjugation of the verb to be. And the total test is 20 questions. And then there's let me get out of this one. And then there's a self-assessment. Here we go, self-assessment where the students can answer their set of 10 questions. Okay. And here we go, the self-assessment of how their learning process is, and they can take this, take it home if they want to. It's a, there's no grades involved. It's just, we want to know how their learning process is coming along. And there's a total of 10 questions, which they can actually send it over to my email. Okay, and last but least, there's a rubric that we can use, the teachers and myself. And let me pull that up. And here is a rubric of the quiz about the conjugation of the verb to be. And here we have the criteria and the different types of excellent, skilled, satisfactory, requires improvement, inadequate, and on the different topics, listening to the recording, and short answers with contraction of the verb to be, fill in the blanks with the correct contractions of verb to be, and the verb conjugation, the present tense. Okay, thank you very much, and have a very good evening.